I'm sure there are people in this room who are familiar with alcoholic drinks. I work with a cheerful microorganism that actually produces all of them. It is called yeast. But making alcohol is not the most exciting thing this naughty beast does. When I put a yeast cell like this beneath the microscope and shine mild ultraviolet light on it, the cell glows back with fluorescence, but does it in waves. First it beams with a lot of light, then becomes less bright. At some point very dim, but then surprisingly more visible again, shines at the highest level, but then decreases its brightness all over again. It looks like a bizarre light show. We call this phenomenon the cycles of metabolism. I want to know what happens inside the cell over time that makes these funny cycles. You know, it is not only innocent curiosity that pushes me to solve this puzzle. It seems that these cycles decide when the cell has to give birth, divide in two cells. So if I find out what makes the cycles in the first place, I will be able to understand the mechanism of cancer better and perhaps even stop it. I have an idea that these cycles exist because of one peculiar creature living inside the cell. It has a frightening name, mitochondrion. About 2 billion years ago, it invaded the ancestor of our cells, seduced it, and stayed inside forever. Right now, the mitochondrion sitting in each of your cells is absorbing the nutrients you have consumed today, and it is burning them down in the oxygen you're breathing. I think the mitochondrion may periodically fall asleep and then wake up, so the lifestyle of this creature may drive the cycles of metabolism. To check this idea, I need to pause mitochondrion and see whether the cycles still exist. To make mitochondrion sleep all the time, I removed oxygen during one of my experiments. I nearly suffocated myself, and I saw that the cycles of metabolism did not stop. My beautiful hypothesis turned out wrong, which leaves the question, what the hell makes this tiny alcohol factory oscillate? I hope that in the remaining time of my PhD, I will crack the mystery of metabolic cycles and save the world with this cute little yeast.